Jambo, hello, welcome to my channel. This is Naomi, and today we are going to learn how to say something in present, how to say an action in present. Like for example, when I want to say I am cooking, I am studying, or they are cooking, they are jumping. So that's what we're going to learn today. And in Swahili, when you want to say I am cooking or I'm studying, you use na. So let's look at the examples, then you'll learn how to use na or how to use present tense. So I hope you're ready. So sit back and let's learn together. Karibu sana. I'm happy to talk to you today. So let's start with the verb kupika. Kupika is to cook, so kupika. So I can say mimi ninapika chakula. Mimi ninapika chakula. I am cooking food. Mimi ninapika chakula. We can use our second example with the verb kuenda. Kuenda is to go. Kuenda. So I can say, je, unaenda wapi? Je, unaenda wapi? Where are you going? So in Swahili, it's easier when you're asking a question to use the word je. I don't know how to say je in English, but in Swahili, mostly when you're asking a question, you can say, je, unaenda wapi? Je, unasoma nini? Je, unapika nini? Yeah, so you can always use je when you're asking about something. I think it's like a question marker. Yes. So our example was, je, unaenda wapi? Je, unaenda wapi? Our third example, we can use the verb kusoma. Kusoma means to read. Kusoma. I hope you watched the video that we made earlier on the verbs in Swahili. So you can go back and watch that. You can have ideas of the verbs to use here. Yeah. So our third example is kusoma. And I'll give an example and say, Baba anasoma kitabu. Baba anasoma kitabu. Dad is reading a book. Baba anasoma kitabu. Dad is reading a book. So our fourth example will be the verb kuimba. Kuimba in Swahili is to sing. Kuimba. And I will give an example and say, sisi tunaimba nyimbo za zamani. Sisi tunaimba nyimbo za zamani. We are singing old songs. Sisi tunaimba nyimbo za zamani. Our fifth example, we will use the verb kutazama. Kutazama in English to watch or look. Kutazama, to watch or look. So I'll give an example and say, ni nini mnachokitazama hivo? What are you looking at like that? Ni nini mnachokitazama hivo? What are you looking at like that? Our sixth example, we will use the verb kucheza. Kucheza, kucheza. Kucheza means playing or dancing. Playing or dancing. If you remember the previous video, go back and watch that video about verbs. Kucheza. Kucheza means to play or dance. So I would give an example and say, wavulana wanacheza kandanda. Wavulana wanacheza kandanda. Wavulana wanacheza kandanda. That means the boys are playing football. The boys are playing football. The boys are playing football. Wavulana wanacheza kandanda. Our seventh example, we will use the verb kuondoka. 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 Kuondoka means to leave. To leave. Kuondoka. So, I'll give an example and say, gari linaondoka sasa. Gari linaondoka sasa. Gari linaondoka sasa. The vehicle is leaving now. The vehicle is leaving now. Gari linaondoka sasa. Can you hear the dog barking? Can you hear it? I think it has stopped. So there's a dog barking, and I would give an example and say, mbwa anabweka. Mbwa anabweka. Mbwa anabweka. The dog is barking. The dog is barking. Mbwa anabweka. The dog is barking. Can you hear the aeroplane? Can you hear the sound of the aeroplane? That's noisy. That's too noisy. Too noisy. Too noisy. It's gone. So we can give an example and say, ndege inapaa angani. Ndege inapaa angani. Ndege inapaa angani. Ndege inapaa angani. The aeroplane is going up in the sky. The aeroplane is going up in the sky. The aeroplane is going up in the sky. Kupaa means going up. Kupaa means going up, like going up in the sky. Our 10th example is the word kuchemka. 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 Kuchemka means boiling, to boil. To boil. Kuchemka, to boil. So I'll give an example and say, maji yanachemka. Maji yanachemka. Maji yanachemka. The water is boiling. Maji yanachemka. Maji yanachemka. The water is boiling. Our last example is with the verb kuendelea. 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 Kuendelea means to continue. To continue. Kuendelea. To continue. Kuendelea. So I'll give an example and say, kipindi cha jioni kinaendelea. Kipindi cha jioni kinaendelea. Kipindi cha jioni kinaendelea. The evening program is going on. The evening program is going on. The evening program is going on. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for always working with me, learning with me. I really appreciate that, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in all the other videos that will be coming up. And kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment as we learn together. So take care, be healthy, and see you next time. Kwaheri.